門牙
Front teeth.
門牙位於口腔最前方，上下顎正中央的位置，一般每邊各有4顆，共8顆。
The incisors are located at the very front of the mouth, in the center of the upper and lower jaws. There are usually 4 on each side, making a total of 8.
門牙的主要作用是切斷食物。
The main function of the incisors is to cut food.
犬齒
Canine teeth.
犬齒的位置在門牙和前臼齒之間。人類通常共有4顆，分別位於上顎左右各1顆，下顎左右各1顆。
Canines are located between the incisors and the premolars. Humans typically have 4 canines, 1 on each side of the upper jaw and 1 on each side of the lower jaw.
犬齒的主要作用是撕裂和刺穿食物，尤其是較硬或較有韌性的食物。
The main function of the canine teeth is to tear and pierce food, especially food that is harder or more tough.
臼齒
Molars.
臼齒位於口腔後方。人類一般有12顆恆齒臼齒。
The molars are located at the back of the mouth, and humans generally have 12 permanent molars.
臼齒的主要功能是把食物磨碎成較小的碎片，方便吞咽和消化。
The main function of the molars is to grind food into smaller pieces, making it easier to swallow and digest.